Okay, now I'm here to show you how to turn an old shoe into a new shoe. So those shoes that you getting ready to throw in the trash, do not throw them away. Get them. I'm finna show you how to bring the old to the new. Okay, you will need MODGE matted. You will need fine glitter, extra fine glitter. You will need a sealer. And some people use E6000, but we're not going to use that today. If you want to dye the white another color, you get the leather dye. We're not going to use that today. I just want to give you some options. So you're going to need a pair of gloves because the glue can be messy. So we're going to put these gloves on. Protect the glue from getting on your hands and stuff. Get your pair of gloves. Okay. Well, that's not a good one. So we're going to try this one. Yes. So what I do, I like to have a box for all the glitter won't be everywhere. You take the shoe, you clean it, I already cleaned everything. You clean all the dirt and stuff. So this is a material shoe, an old shoe, and when I get finished, you're going to see the results. So let's begin. You take your brush. Now the first coat is the very important one. So take your time because you don't want it messy. You take the Mod Podge and you do, let's see, you get it on there. Take your time. Make sure it's smooth because you don't want no lumps and stuff. You line it, you don't want to get it on there. Usually I will put tape around here, but I think I can do it without that today. But you might want to tape the white part, the rubber part, because you want it to look new. Now you can do this with new shoes or used shoes. And you can use any kind of brush. I'm using a little brush because I don't want to get on the white part. Want to go around, make sure you got it all over there. We'll try to stay off the rubber. So I advise you to use tape to cover your rubber if you're a beginner. Okay, almost done. Now I'm not going to finish the whole shoe. I'm going to do the front part of the shoe, and I have a shoe that I had did before the video. So I'll let you see how it looks once the product is finished. Okay, now that should be good. Now what we want to do, we want to sit the shoe down. We want to hurry up because it dries fast. Want to take the glitter, hold it over the box and start pouring on. Applying the glitter on top of the glue like this. You see how it falls in there. Then do this. You want to do that like that. You want to sit it down for a minute. Let that dry. And I always put a sheet of paper in here so it'll be easy to collect my glitter back, to put it back in the bottle, the excess glitter. Take your bottle, you hold it like that, you just put it back in there. If you find that you miss spots, it's okay because you can always go back. So this is what you'll get so far. This one layer, one coat so far. I'll let that dry for a couple of minutes. Now, we have the sealer right here. I think you would let it dry for like, if you could put a fan on it, you can let it dry for about 10 minutes, but I'm going to speed it up. And then you just seal it, just for to keep the glitter from coming on your stuff, and then you let that dry. Once that dries for a couple of minutes, then we want to get ready. We're going to let that sit for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. But it's been a video, I'm trying to speed it up. And you probably want to put one more coat on there once this dries. Now, so I would say 2 coats because you don't want to keep putting a lot of stuff on it, then it'll start clumping up. And you don't want to clump. So this is what your shoe will look like once you do the whole shoe. This is the outcome. This is the old shoe. The shoe is 10 years old. And you can't tell you to bring it back to life. This is what you get right there. So, there you have it. Shazam. Come back later. We're going to be doing many things. So, keep in touch with us. Subscribe to our channel. And you will learn a lot of things that you can do to make $1. Bye-bye for now.